Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Q70L. The luxurious INFINITI Q70L offers plush interior accommodations and a spacious interior cabin. Passengers of the Q70L will feel like they're riding first class all the way. Enhanced agility and safety protection features fill this luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, audio, speed sensitive volume control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.